Hello everyone, welcome to part 30 of reactjs tutorial with Laravel for beginners. And in this video, we will continue working on the product detail page on our React app, and we are going to cover few videos on it because there are many options that we are going to embed in this product detail page. And first of all, we are going to show the sizes select box, okay, and other product details on our React app detail page, product detail page, okay. And after that, we will also add the proceed button so that the user can click on proceed button and go to the checkout page. Okay, we are going to show the checkout page after this one, and straight away we are where the user can able to fill the delivery address and can place the order. Okay, we will make it simple. This is the basic react.js, so we are going to make everything simple in this one. In advance, we are going to add the proper card in which the user can able to add the multiple products and can able to shop. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to run my project. Okay, so I'm going, this is my folder rect app, and I'm going to right click and will run this. And you know that how to run. We are just required to run npm start to run our rect projects. Okay, so you just required to do npm start to run the project. Okay, so it will take few seconds and you can see the project starts running. Okay, so here a website is also there. Okay, so this is the copy of this website, not exactly the same copy but the basic copy of this website, but we are using the same database. The user can able to place the order from here and can also place the same order from here as well, and we can able to see that order in the admin panel of our e-commerce website. Okay, he can go in the admin panel and can check the order. Okay, once he will place the order on rect app, so he can also assess in the order section here. Okay, so both we are working on side by side, both website as well as the rect app, both will finish together. Okay, so here, see, we have done the login, register, everything, shop we have done, and click on men, and then the user can click on you can see the complete listing. He can able to open the those categories as well, mobiles and clothing, anything he can able to open. Okay, so after clicking on the product, he can see the product detail page in which we can see the product code, uh, see color, price. Okay, so everything is coming here, you can see, and along with the link of the category. Once again, he can go back and can see the listing page once again. Okay, so here the brand is also coming, description is also coming, and along with that we are going to show more details, and we are going to check the website once that which details are pending that we can show on our detail page. Of course, we are going to show the sizes from where the user can able to select one of these sides and move further. And here we are going to see. Okay, so these are the details we are going to check here. This is the same product that we are opening in the website as, and also opening in the app as well, and you can see here. Okay, so we can show more details like see, description is there, product code is there, product color is there. Okay, so we can show the sizes as well. Sorry, yeah, sizes, these are the sizes. We are going to show the drop down for the sizes. Okay, and what else, see, fabric, sleeve, these also we can able to show. Okay, so along with that, anything else, see, these will not show right now in the basic app. We are going to show in the advanced app similar products, and the alternative images also we are going to show in the advanced app, advanced rect app. But here we can make it simple and we can show some more data here. Okay, so let's open the code now. So we can open our project here, rect tab, source, and in that we can open the detail, and in components detail.js. Okay, so here after this one, we can show here, see, we can open the page once, and here after showing this one, I think we must show after this the sizes. Okay, sizes we can show, and sizes will come in array because there are multiple sizes, so we are going to show the select box of sizes, and that also we can show, we need to show in array. Okay, so once again I will check the API, okay, that we are using for this one, detail API. So this is the API that we are using. I'm going to open this API once again. See here, this is the API that we are using. We can either open in Postman, or we can open in here, here itself in Thunder client. Okay, we can open this one here. Okay, so I'm going to try here. I'm going to open here, new request. I'm going to make a new request here. Okay, so here I'm going to open the URL. I can pick from here the same URL, and we are going to check once that how the data is coming. Okay, so that's why we are opening this. Okay, so I'm going to put it like this, and API detail, and this is the product ID 2. Okay, we can check once. Okay, so data is coming in front of us, so I can do it like this and can check the data. And here I need to see the attributes, that how the attributes are coming. These are the attributes that we want to show there. Okay, so it's coming in the array. Okay, in the form of array. But first of all, we are going to show here some more data, like sleeve and fabric we can show. Okay, fabric, sleeve, here we can see sleeve and fabric we can show. So let's open, and here, after this one, product description, we can show, see, product description we will show at last. Okay, so after this one, we can show the sleeve and fabric. We can do it like this, sleeve. Okay, and here also we will give the product object. After that, sleeve, it will come like this. And also fabric, what we can do for fabric, we can do it like this. In one row we can show both things together. For fabric as well, we will add it like this in the same way, product object dot fabric. Okay, so we are going to check once that how it looks. See, sleeve as well as the fabric, it seems to be fine. Okay, sleeve and fabric is also coming. So now we are going to show the sizes. Okay, so for sizes, we can see that it's coming in the attributes array, like I have shown you that it's coming in the attributes array. Once again I'm going to show you that it's coming in the attributes array, that we need to okay, so we need to show in the map. It's like the for each loop, like we use in Laravel. Okay, so we can show it after sleeve and fabric. Either we can show this one here. So here I am going to add here that map feature, in which we can use it as the for each loop. So here I'm going to take one select box, select. Okay, in select I'm going to add here, I will also name it like size. Okay, I can use it as size. And here what I'm going to do, I'm going to add here map object. Okay, I'm going to take product object first, and then attributes is our array. I have shown you attributes there. We are going to use it as array. Okay, and then we are going to use the map is just like the for each loop of Laravel. Okay, so it helps us to loop the array. Okay, then we will take one value object, like we used in for each loop. We take one variable that we use inside the for each loop. Okay, so same here, value object. So here going to use it like this, and curly brackets, and then return option will come here. Here it will come option key, and here the value object. dot size and value. Then once again we can show value object dot size. Okay, and here we can end this one, and here as well we can show the same. Okay, so we are going to check now, and here option is ends fine, and hit select is end. Okay, so now we are going to see this one. It has come medium and large, and in front of this one we can also show here sizes. Okay, like this. Okay, so now fine, I think select site. Here we can do it like this, select site, and also we can put it in h4. We're going to see how it looks. Sorry, select site. Let's check once, and here you can see select size. By default we are going to give one of these size. Okay, so that the user is not required to select any size, and he can change it if he want. Okay, so here you can see the sleeve fabric, and then the select size also come up here. Okay, so the user can select one of these size and can click on continue. Okay, so in next video we are going to show here the continue button as well. We will show here the proceed button. Once the user select this site and will click on proceed button, then he can able to see the selected site, and that checkout button will help the user to reach the next page of checkout, in which the user is going to fill that form delivery form. Okay, where the user can able to place the order straight away, and that will come in the admin panel like I have shown you. The order will straight away come in the admin panel here in our Laravel 9 admin panel. The order will straight away come up here. Okay, so that we are going to do in the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.